Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of building a website? Don't worry, you're not alone. Building a stunning website doesn't have to be a coding nightmare anymore. In fact, with the right tools, you can create a professional-looking website in under an hour, even if you're a complete beginner. Get ready to build a stunning website in under 1 hour without touching a single line of code. Let's dive into the top 10 free website development tools to make your digital dreams a reality. But before diving in, subscribe to Jay's Digital Hub, where your online success begins. First, here is an introduction to website development tools. Building a website can seem daunting, especially if you're not a coding expert. But with the right tools, you can create a beautiful, functional site without writing a single line of code. Today, we'll explore 10 fantastic free tools that can help you get started on your web development journey. And we'll even show you how to get started with platforms like WordPress and Wix, so stick around till the end. Now let's get into the top 10 free website development tools. First on the list, we have the powerhouse website builders, WordPress and Wix. Both platforms offer drag-and-drop functionality, meaning you can choose a theme, add your content, and your website is up and running. Wix is a drag-and-drop website builder that's an ideal choice for beginners. With its incredibly user-friendly and vast library of templates, you can create a beautiful website without writing a single line of code. Wix even has an AI tool called Wix ADI that builds the website for you based on your preferences. But if you're looking for more customization and control, WordPress is the way to go. It's a popular content management system, CMS, that offers thousands of themes and plugins to help you build your dream website. WordPress is perfect if you want flexibility and scalability. It offers thousands of free themes and plugins that allow you to customize your website any way you like. Next up, we have two amazing design tools that make website design easy and visually appealing without needing a graphic designer. First, we have Canva, a free tool perfect for creating beautiful visuals for your site. From banners to logos, Canva is a versatile design tool that offers easy-to-edit templates that fit any website style. And for those of you who need more advanced design features, Figma is the way to go. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that's perfect for collaboration. It allows multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously, making it ideal for teams. And it's free for up to 3 projects. You can design layouts, logos, and even interactive elements for your website. A great website isn't just about looks, it's about functionality. Let's discuss tools to help you analyze performance and enhance your site's functionality. Google Analytics is a must-have. This free tool allows you to track visitors, monitor your site's traffic, and see how users interact with your content. It's the backbone of your data-driven strategy. For heat maps and user behavior, Hotjar is a free tool that shows you exactly where your visitors click, scroll, and spend their time. This insight helps you optimize your site for better engagement. No one likes a slow website, right? That's where tools like Pingdom and GTmetrix come in handy. Both tools help you analyze your website speed and provide suggestions to improve loading times. The faster your website, the better the user experience and SEO ranking. And for those of you who want to dabble in coding without getting overwhelmed, Visual Studio and Sublime Text are lifesavers. Visual Studio Code is a free, open-source code editor that's packed with features. It supports a wide range of programming languages and comes with built-in Git integration. Sublime Text is another popular code editor known for its speed and performance. It's highly customizable and offers a variety of plugins. So, there you have it, the top 10 free website development tools you need. Whether you're using WordPress, Wix, or enhancing your site with Google Analytics and Canva, these tools will help you build a professional, stunning website in under 1 hour without any coding. So what are you waiting for? Try them out today. Remember, you don't need to be a coding expert to create a fantastic website. Just follow these steps, and you'll have a professional-looking site in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What tool are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.